This video is on question 51 from the 2011 IMAT paper. In this question, we're asked to use the following crossover values, known as COVs, to work out the sequence of the four following genes P, Q, R, and S on a chromosome. Now, our job is to overlap these various crossover values in such a way to compose a chromosome map in which all of the crossover values are correct. Now, I found a good place to start with these questions is to pick a letter, or so a gene, so let's say P, and to align all of the fragments which include P. So that's this top one, this fourth one, and this fifth one. So these crossover values tell us that there is a distance of 33 between P and Q, and these are in arbitrary units, a distance of 25 between P and R, and a distance of 10 between P and S. Now, it may jump out to you here that the difference between 33 and 25 is 8, and down here we have a fragment of size 8 between R and Q, which you can see would nicely fit here if we were to align it there. So far we know that R is in between P and Q on the chromosome map. And now we're just left with this fragment R to S of size 15. And we can notice here that PR is 25, whereas PS is 10. And the difference between 25 and 10 is 15. So we can try sliding this fragment in here, but we can see with the orientation that it was in down there, the R and the S on either end are the wrong way around. So we can flip this fragment round so that the S and R are on either end now, and now we can see that all of the letters correctly align. With our P's aligning, our two S's aligning, our R's aligning, and our two Q's aligning. So now, using this information, we can construct the correct chromosome map. So we can drop our P down onto our chromosome map at the start here, drop the S down, the R down, and the Q down. And with the distances of 10 in between P and S, 15 between S and R, and 8 between R and Q. And so the correct sequence of genes here emerges. And this sequence of P, S, R, Q corresponds to answer E.